Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zach King magic videos. To begin, grasp the fundamental illusion techniques Zach King employs, primarily jump cuts and forced perspective. Before filming, meticulously plan your video by sketching out the desired effect and pinpointing the exact transition points. Crucially, maintain consistent lighting and identical camera angles between all cuts to achieve a truly seamless and believable magical appearance in your final production. Mastering jump cuts is essential for these illusions. To execute a jump cut, simply stop recording, subtly alter an element in your scene, and then resume filming from the exact same camera position. Employing a sturdy tripod is highly recommended to ensure a perfectly steady camera and precise alignment for all your cuts. For an even smoother transition, try having an object or your hand briefly obscure the lens during the moment of the cut. Forced perspective is another powerful tool. You can create illusions of varying size and distance by strategically placing objects closer or further from the camera than they appear. Don't underestimate the power of everyday props. Utilize items that can be easily manipulated or swapped during a quick cut. Remember to practice your movements and prop handling extensively to ensure all transitions are incredibly smooth and utterly believable to your audience. Finally, the editing process brings your magic to life. Import your footage into any video editing software and trim your clips with absolute precision right at the transition points. To enhance the magical effect and cleverly distract from any minor imperfections, consider adding appropriate sound effects and engaging background music. Review your video multiple times to meticulously identify and correct any visible glitches or inconsistencies, ensuring a truly enchanting final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.